Hello guys, today I will do a short presentation of what GTrack can do for your local SEO. So let's start with the simple scan. You can start the scan when you click on new scan. You can search for your business or paste your Google Maps URL here if your business is a sub-business. Let's start with the business I manage. It's called Dublin Deco Painting. Okay, as you see, we see the business here in the autocomplete. We see a small screen with the business information, basic business information, name, address, so you are not confused. You can close it. Then you can drag the map, you can adjust the grid, you can just drag any pin and set it to be there. Normally I do the center of the business and other locations, but if I'm interested in this location, for example, I drag the grid here. Okay, we have an option to add up to 5 keywords here, or use our magic AI keywords suggestion. It will generate you 20 keywords based on your business name, address, categories, rating, reviews, and what else ChatGPT knows about your business. So as you can see, it generated me 5 keywords with near me options, 5 keywords with location, 5 keywords with services, and another related 5 keywords. Okay, let's start with the painters near me, house painting, interior, painters Vulcan, and I believe painters in Dublin. No. I will select one that I really know that's working. I will add just one myself, Dublin painters. So we had reached the maximum of 5 keywords. We can add competitors, but I won't show you this option as we decided to remove it and add it in scan analysis. You can choose the distance between pins in miles or in kilometers or miles. You could choose the grid size. The maximum grid size for now it's 13 by 13. So if you just change the grid, it will be bigger. It will use 169 credits, as there are 169 pins. So the logic is simple. For example, 9 by 9, there are 81 pins. 9 multiplied by 9. The distance between pins, usually I choose 1 kilometer, but if I want to see the bigger area, I choose 2.5 kilometers. Let's get back to 1 kilometer. So to initiate a scan, you just hit initiate scan. As you can see, it says scanning 81 location for 5 keywords, but credit used was 405. This is because we have 5 different keywords. So for each keyword, we use 81 credits. So let's take a look for the most important keyword for my client. This is the one. What we see here, basic business information, the average ranking, keyword we scan, ranking distribution, the grid, the distance, the zoom of the Google Maps, and the language. Yeah, you can change the language in advanced settings. You can change the zoom level and you can change the language. Zoom level, default zoom level is 13. But if you are interested in a broader area or a smaller area, you can change the zoom options. Okay, let's see what we get here. We see how we rank now. If we click on any of those pins, we can see the competitors we rank with. So this is our one of main competitors. This one, and I believe this one. Yeah, as I remember. What we can do from here, we can go to their Google Maps. We can initiate a new scan with this particular competitor. We can initiate a track for this competitor. This is for track competitors feature. I will explain later. Okay, what else we can do here? We can go exactly to the same Google Maps result that we scraped, but I always recommend to use incognito. So you just click here, copy the link, go to private window and open it. It will be more correct to do like this. So as you can see, painting Dublin is first, painters Dublin Deco Painting is second. The same we see here. Painting Dublin first, Dublin Deco Painting the second. So it's pretty accurate. Yeah, sometimes you can see different results, but this is due to how Google Maps render the places. What else we can do here? We can click on our competitor and see how they rank. To go back to our main business, we just click on any pin and then I can click on it and have again the view for our business we are comparing. We have a nice comparison view. This was added by feedback from our LTD customer. Thanks for the feedback, and we were very fast to implement this. As you can see, we compete with 60 businesses, and we can click on any of those businesses and see how they are ranking. Actually the same what you do when you click on the pin. Here you cannot click on the pin, sorry guys. We have scan analysis, which will give you pretty much information if you know what you do. So our business is competing against 59 businesses in the area. I mean in this area. The average competitor rating is 4.9 stars. Market position is strong for our business. Competitive ranking distribution. We fetch all the business information like address, name, address, reviews, working hours, and so on. So we can display here how many businesses doesn't have the address. So they present on Google Maps as a sub-business. Websites, how many businesses don't have websites, how many use social media link as their business, and the total coverage. We see some basic information here. Market leader, who is the leader. Two competitors dominate with more than 50% of top 3 rankings. Average reviews per business, how many? 79% of competitors have websites. Most used categories. I believe we have to remove these default categories which Google present. Ranking volatility, market competitiveness. We have a performance metrics where we can see our business performance, the average ranking, and the other competitors ranking, how many times they appear on the map, the percentage of top 3 position, their rating, and the number of reviews. We can actually sort by reviews and see how many reviews they have, and if the number of reviews is the ranking factor. So as we can see, we have 180 reviews and this one has 195, but we appears top 3 better than this competitor. We can also go to their Google business profile from here and we can see all of them. This is basically the same but more related to reviews comparison and the market share. Category analysis, this is the most important thing you can get from scan analysis. Here you can see the categories and how many of our competitors are using those categories. So as you can see, painter is the most used category, then painting, I believe this is the old name of the category. Service establishment, this is kind of category Google assigns automatically to businesses providing services. If we click on the category, we can actually see those businesses who list their painter as their category. So I believe this is the main category everyone is using. From here we can again go to their Google business profile. We can go to their website. We can and then we can analyze actually their website and so on. What else? We can export this to PDF, PNG, or CSV. I like exporting this to CSV and then analyzing in ChatGPT to give me more insights. We actually have the same functionality when you click on AI analysis. Let's get back to this later. Okay, so you can share these results. You get a shareable link which you can send to your client. As you can see, my link is white labeled because I have white label under my account, white label and branding. So I've set trackseolocalizer.com as my white label domain, and branding, you can add the company name, logo URL, email, phone, and website. Let's get back to the shared link. What's cool here, you can actually, your client or your partners or co-workers can actually see the same information you see in GTrack. They can do the same. They can click on the business, view their ranking positions. They can go to business comparison, do the same. Scan analysis, they can see scan analysis. They can export it, and actually pretty much we have the general export button, but I'm not happy about this. It's exporting in PDF, and actually it's buggy. You have to do something like this. Okay, that will be fixed. Sorry, guys. What else? We can view heat map, which will show you the presence. If it's green line, then it's good. The coverage, the same, as lighter as it's better, and the same for competition analysis. Sorry. Export this image. You can export this image and then present to your customers. That's pretty much you can do. As I said, in scan analysis, we will add a detailed competitor analysis, which we will remove from here. AI scan insights. When you do an AI scan analysis for one of your scans, you can save the reports here and then view later. It will show you kind of interesting information, basically more or less the same the scan analysis already shows, but with some performance analysis, geographic insights, competition, top competitors by frequency. We analyze 15 competitors, their frequency, rating, reviews, and average rating. Operations, if everyone had their website, phone number, business hours, and how many days they are open. Profile competitiveness, their time zone, contact method, category strategy. Yeah, suggest us to add some categories. Yeah, actually AI still fails. We have to train more this AI agent to give us better insights. Some actions like by priority. Again, not very happy about this, but it will be improved later. Okay, guys, so let's go to the next step where I will talk about scheduled scans. What you can do here, you can create a new schedule or view your current schedule scans. Let's jump on viewing. So to view a schedule scan, you click on this icon. It will load all the days you are scanning. What you can see here is basically the same you can see under your new scan. You can actually view all your keywords you are scanning in this schedule scan and their current ratings. You can view by date. You can generate ranking report For example, default is 7 days. You can switch to last 28 days, 3 months, or custom range. You can export this data. You can use your browser scrolling to view all of the rankings day by day, because I'm doing daily scans for those keywords. Normally, you can do one time a week, or if you do a lot of change, a lot of improvements to your GPB, to your website, I suggest you to do it daily. You can choose a keyword and generate ranking report, so you can see how you are performing. Those drops in ranking are the weekends when actually Sunday, when my client doesn't work, the business is closed. So from here you can understand that if your business is closed for that particular day, you will have a bad ranking. You can compare scans by day. You can choose one or many, up to 3, and compare. You'll see some basic information, pins, ranking distribution, statistics, comparison. Okay, from here you can also view comparison view, click on your competitors, scan analysis, everything is included. Export, basically everything. You can share this shadow scan and share it to your client. You can generate a shareable link that will be managed from here, and you actually can manage all your links and copy the link, share it to your customer. As you remember, my link is white label with the branding. This is why you see a different link, different branding, and so on. You can also from here do the same as you can do from GTrack inside. You can view the ranking reports, you can view the progress, heat map, and export. You can go to scan analysis, export it for this particular keyword, and so on. Let's jump into an edit. So when you edit, you can change the grid size, distance, name it. You can add up to 30 keywords. I'm using Pro plan, so it's based on your plan, the limit per shadow scan, but actually we do not limit how many shadow scans you can create. Frequency, you can add keywords in bulk. You can use AI keyword suggestion. Yeah, you can actually see if we detect that this keyword is already in use, we show it. Real keywords, frequency, daily, weekly, monthly, time of the day when you do the scan. This is your time based on your time zone. You have advanced search settings. You can choose the custom zoom level and the language. You can check this to send emails when scan is completed. From here you can pause your shadow scan, you can delete it, you can disable email notification if you don't need it. Okay, let's jump to track competitors, the feature that I'm proud of because I really use it for my clients to track their competitors. Actually, I also track their business as well because I want to see how they are performing with the photos, with reviews, and so on. I want to see the progress. You can see here that we have recent alerts, which the track competitor feature generated, and we can click on the alert and see what's going on. For example, this business profile just removed, or Google removed a bunch of photos. It's 38 photos were removed, and review changed by +5. We can also see the review count, how they are performing. You can see from here if your competitors are tracking with reviews. For example, you see here 80th of June they were having 211 reviews. Day before it's 224. So I believe you can see from here that so many reviews in one day you cannot get normally if you are not a restaurant, hotel or something like this. So I can spot this and report unfair competition to Google. You can mark the alerts as read, and you as well have a nice history log where you can see if the business name was changed, what was the rating, reviews number, photos, posts, categories. Yeah, we do track. Let's check this business. I believe we need a search already here or rearrange the track business. Yeah, let's edit it and see. Edit looks like this. What we track: business name change, review count change, category change, photo count, and post count. You can You can have an alert when the review changes by a particular number. Alert frequency daily, weekly, or monthly. But we do the tracking every day. You can specify the alert email optionally if you want to send the alert to someone else, and hit changes if you do some changes. For example, I've spotted this customer updated his categories from it was painter and now it's contractor, interior decorator, painting, and wallpaper installer. So we actually can see when your competitor is acting or actively editing his business profile. Okay, pretty much well here. You can buy some credits. This is a new feature, just added yesterday. You can buy. We have 6 packs. You can buy 1,000 credits for $5 and no bonus, but you can buy 5,000 credits for $20 and you get 500 as credit as bonus, and it's progressive. So as much credit as you get more bonus. The same you can do for AI tokens. You can buy AI tokens, and the same we give bonuses for every big package. There are a few icons here. This one we use to collect feedback from our customers. We have a lot of positive feedbacks. We have feature request. You can use this tab to request a feature, and we will get back to you when it's ready. We plan to make it public. For now, it's just internal. Yep. What else? You can update your profile, manage subscription. You can join our affiliate program. We guys give 30% recurring commission for any affiliate that will join us. We have here advanced settings for zoom level and language. We have here white label configuration, and a feature that we didn't work too much. This is called hide sensitivity data, where you can hide the business name when you view the profile. It's hidden business name, and the address is hidden, but we don't hide too much. We hide also your name and your plan. I believe we have to work on this and make it more advanced. Let's see our roadmap, what we have planned for this year. So this one have to be moved to done. We have Zapier integration, team collaboration feature with role access based, API access for custom integration, GBP post scheduler, GBP review management, and photo management. We still work on prioritizing these tasks, but I think we have to go first with deep competitor analysis, which will give you more insights from your competitors, as we will dive really deep by scanning competitors' websites, their homepage, recent posts. We will extract titles from their pages. We'll try to extract their keywords and all the available business information, Google Maps list, and so on. The other cool feature will be Local Lead Finder. Will help you get more SEO leads. You will be able to scan a grid with the particular keyword, and we will select all the businesses in that area. You will be able to run a quick scan for their main keyword, and this will generate you shareable links that you can send to your potential lead and pitch them the GTrack scan report, basically something like this. Local Keyword Explorer. This will help you explore more local keywords for your business. Actually, we have a free tool that you can use already. This is called Local SEO Keyword Generator. It looks like this. You can search for a business. I'll show you some basic information of this business, and you hit generate keywords. It may take up to 1 minute because we use all of this information, pass it to the Open API, and in return you get up to 50 keywords across 5 categories. So you get service keywords, location keywords, problem solving keywords, industry keywords, and long tail keywords. You can copy all or download in CSV. Pretty much everything I wanted to share. Okay, I have to show something else. When you do a new scan or shadow scan, you can disable some pins. For example, if your grid is going under the water, you can just click on the pins and disable those pins and save scan credits. Looks like this is pretty much all.